Equipment preparation.
Please prepare the following items.
Connect the camera to the NVR. Flip the NVR to the back and connect the power supply, monitor, mouse, all the camera and router in turn. Let's get the antenna set up.
Connect power to all cameras. Wait for the picture to come out.
How to view by app. The first, scan code to download ZOSI Smart app.
Scan the QR code for the latest version.
Secondly, register and login app. Thirdly, add NVR device by app. Click plus. Scan the QR code on the NVR. Select wireless recorder. Ensure it is connected and click next. Set a name for the device. Install the camera. Find a suitable installation location. Attach the installation sticker. Drill holes as shown in the picture, and nail in the rubber plugs. Fix the camera to the mounting sticker with screws and adjust it to the right angle.
Add on new cameras.
Method 1, pairing with network cables. Steps 1, plug the camera into the power source and connect it to the NVR using an Ethernet cable. Go to IPC channel configuration. Click search. Once the camera shows up, click Add Alt to connect it to the NVR, and it should appear on the screen. Unplug the network cable and wait for the system to display the picture again. This step can be omitted if it is convenient to connect the network cable. Method 2, wireless pairing. Step 1, plug the camera into the power source.
Right-click the mouse, choose Main menu. Tap Information.
Aim the camera at the ID QR code. For pairing, wait for the camera make a wireless connection successful sound. Step 2, right-click on Main menu. Go to IPC channel configuration. Click Search. Once the camera shows up, click Wi-Fi Add to connect it to the NVR, and it should appear on the screen.